Hey guys, and welcome back to Coco Couture's YouTube channel. So in today's video we've got a lovely blonde client. So the client's hair is a little bit uneven and it is a little bit damaged as well. So what Kelly is going to be doing today, as you can see, she's just slicing into it just so it lays a little bit better in with the extensions. So she's going to be using multi-tonal extensions today just so everything blends in really nicely rather than going in with a blunt blonde. So obviously if Kelly didn't use a multi-tonal weave, you would be able to see the unevenness of the hair. So as you can see, it goes from like a light blonde to a darker blonde, and then at the end it's a little bit lighter. So with Kelly using a multi-tonal extensions, it will hide that and it'll just make the client's hair look really natural. Alright guys, so this is the progress so far, and as you can see, Kelly is really good at colour matching. So whereas the client's hair was quite uneven and multi-tonal, she just added the extensions section by section and also slicing into the client's hair just to make it look really natural and blend really seamless. So here is the finished result guys. It looks absolutely beautiful as always. Now one lady in the comment section asked if we could do a video with having the hair up. So this is what Kelly is doing right now, and we will show you how seamless it actually looks. So as you can see guys, you can't see the extensions whatsoever. There's no pre-bonded glue hanging out from anywhere. It's just absolutely the perfect option. And there you have it guys, beautiful LA weave, multi-tonal effect. She literally looks as though she's spent all day in the hairdressers getting her hair dyed, when in fact all she's done is got extensions. And she's not got any damage either. So as always, if there is anything you want to see, anything you want to know, just comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible, and maybe you'll see a video on it. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video.